Welcome back, YouTube, once again. Working on this Chevy Cobalt, putting on some new headlights because the old ones are very, very, very bad, as you can tell. Here's the part number stuff for the driver's side. Here's the part numbers and stuff for the passenger side. We're going to remove this 10mm and this 10mm right now on both sides. Remove these clips all the way across. You're going to take a flathead, you're going to pop this centerpiece up and then pull out the big piece. So we needed that loose because we need to pull on this piece a little bit so we can get the headlight out. So if you were changing just your light bulb, this would be the point where you untwist this here, the bulb, either on the blinker or on the headlight, and then you swap the bulb and then screw it back in, and then just reverse the steps that we just did. But we're not doing that, we're replacing the headlight. Now that you have the headlight out, unplug the main harness. We need to remove this bolt here, which is on a bracket that holds this entire piece. So that bolt holds a bracket that holds these, and so we need to remove that so it comes attached there. Then we're also going to remove the two 10mm up top here. Now we need to swap some parts over. So pull out this bolt and this bolt there. We need to swap two things from this old one to the new one. That's this piece here. This gives support to the bumper. And this bracket, which holds this front face to the body. So we just knock this off with a rubber mallet this way. Undo these two 10mm bolts. There we go. We have this tapped back on with the rubber mallet. We have this piece on. So now we're going to take the new one and put it in to the car. There's the new one installed. Now I'm going to test fit the lens. Make sure it all lines up, because there is a little bit of play I can do to either shift this corner out or this corner back. So we'll see how it fits in the fender first. So it looks like it fits perfect. So now I'm going to peel off that protective plastic, and then I'm going to put these two screws in that hold it right in here, and then this side will be done. So fits perfect, looks perfect, and works perfect. Look at that thing. Holy crap. Let's see if I can get both. Yeah. He's going to be able to see much, much better at night. On the driver's side, there's an air temperature sensor to give you ambient outside air. You need to squeeze these little gray clips together and it'll pop out the back. Well, these look way better, and they were only like $42 a piece on Rock Auto. Nice. So everything's working, everything's tightened, so now it's time. I'll put the clips back in the grill cover there and just clean everything up with some Windex, non-ammonia Windex.